All right, my Remy. Does burping curing jars every single day actually create a better cure, or are growers overdoing it? Explain what burping is supposed to do, what really matters during the cure, and how a home grower can avoid overdrying their All right, hit the checkbox, and there it is. Hit the enter button. Now, we, of course, here at Green Zone Grow Shops have trained this chatbot to speak intelligently back to growers. We don't want any nonsense coming back like, oh, you can't handle that question or anything like that. So it knows you're a grower. It knows what you're asking for. Go ahead, try it at your leisure. We're going to give it a test tonight. I have the questions. I don't know the answers. I haven't done this. I like to be in on it with you guys. So here we go. All right. Alarm's going off. Mic's hot. Let's talk curing.